Henry, some fabulous mornings and some, I would say, tolerable afternoons. Temperatures have been above average, but because the humidity is a little bit lower, the mornings really have been fabulous. Tomorrow morning, it's going to feel pretty good, too. We're also going to be updating the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Leslie on the board outside right now on the hill, and the winds are pretty calm. In fact, flags not even moving on this Wednesday night. Skies right now are clear. It's 81. It feels good. In fact, I've got some 70s on the map to the north. Winds calm, dew point up to 59. That's not too bad at all, I'll tell you that. To the colorful runways of San Antonio International for today's numbers, 93, as opposed to yesterday's 97, which is the record for today, too, from 1989. 71 this morning, but again, the lower humidity made it feel a little bit better. Look where we should be stopping, by the way, 86. You know, one concern still remains: air quality, unhealthy for sensitive groups tonight. Hopefully this improves tomorrow. We didn't have an ozone action day today, but our air quality did not improve. Unhealthy for the groups like COPD sufferers, asthma sufferers. You can see Houston was a big improvement to a moderate read. All right, speaking of the air, winds are on the move, and it's going to be moistening up in the coming days. In fact, an east to southeast wind should be taking the place of that north-northeast wind we've been enjoying. A little bit more of a southeast push until we get into late Friday, and then it's going east-northeast as we get a weak frontal boundary in. But what happens on Thursday, Friday is dew points will go up to 60s, and you'll start feeling the humidity before that weak front drops the humidity, and then it's rebounding quickly. I mean, the beginning of next week, dew points are back into the 60s. We feel the humidity before another weak front comes through. So these fronts right now just dropping humidity, not any precipitation, and that's what we really need. High pressure well in control, and that's why things just won't be changing soon. We've got the ridge of high pressure bouncing every system up well to the north. To the tropics we go, and Kirk up to a Category 3. This storm is producing winds of 125 miles per hour, and now Tropical Storm Leslie on his heels. Both of these storms will be expected to roam the central Atlantic. Doing their job is moving the warm air and warm water to the northern latitude, and doing it in a great way without hitting any land. Remember, hurricanes are how the earth cools. We have to have them. Now into the Gulf, where we see chances dropping a little bit on a system developing in the Gulf of Mexico in the next 7 days, down to a 30% low probability now. If it does happen, I mean, it's not going to be significant. The models have never really been favoring any kind of organization. I haven't noticed anything too impressive except the amount of rain, which could throw in a slight chance of a shower for San Antonio Sunday. From the Tower of the Americas, the 14-day forecast, mid-90s through the work week, then 93s over the weekend. Right now, only that 10% chance of a shower, mostly sunny through most of the middle part of next week even, and then we're going to stay with the 90s, even though we should be stopping in the mid-80s. Temperatures are staying above average. So it's CP3, and then what would it be? NR, what do you got, Nate?
NR, well, we're Channel 5, so.
NR5.
NR5.
I like
you
it.
would be BT5 as well, too.
Yeah.
We could be the KENS 5-4, you, me, EC, and Henry.
Come on now.
Opening up on the weekends.